In this video, I'll show you how you can restore your Exodus wallet from a 12-word recovery phrase. So each Bitcoin wallet has a 12-word recovery phrase that you can use to get back into your wallet, and I'll show you how you can do that in this video. So first things first, you need to make sure that you know your 12-word recovery phrase. On Exodus, you go to settings and you can view your secret phrase here. So if I go to view secret phrase and show secret phrase, I'll then be shown my secret phrase, which I should already have written down anyway, but I can then check it and write it down here if I haven't. Now you're going to need this secret phrase to recover your wallet. If you don't have it, the chances are you're probably not going to be able to recover your wallet. So please do remember this at all costs. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to exit out of Exodus. Now I've got my recovery phrase and I'm just going to go ahead and reopen it. Now Exodus is back open, we can go ahead and click on restore, which is here. And now it gives us the option to enter in a 12-word recovery phrase. I'm going to do that now and then I'll be back. Once you've entered in your recovery phrase, it should then restore your wallet and you should have access to your funds again. So it's loading here. You can see that now the backup is complete. And there we go, we're back into our wallet.